Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe. We come to a channel over here talking about crypto, talking about crypto news, talking about live TA and things of that nature. So you hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell notification every day, and we have some crypto for you. Wall Street Pete is here. Without anything going on here, we had to come live. This is what we do. Made sure we were to tell you we're falling. Without a doubt, right away, right into the charts. We're not going to sit here and do a tune or sing anything right now. We need to really start talk and understand about what is happening. So we have roughly an hour and 11 minutes until the 3 o'clock Eastern time to confirm and make sure that this is the bottom. What's going to confirm that is definitely a new price bouncing off there. So we have an hour and 11 minutes to really get through to this. Shots fired, no doubt about it. Todd, what's up? Right here is what's going on. If you notice and you pay attention in here, there is problems. There's manipulation. Remember this. When we do this and we get a big shock like this, this has to still overcome, still has to come back into the market. So do understand the money, the millions, the trillions, let's be billions that was soaked out of here. So there's something definitely to pay attention to when it comes to this. You have to keep your eyes open to that. Well, we're falling a little bit, and there's still a little bit of manipulation still coming in, but as long as we can finish above here, and obviously right here, if you zoom in, this is the 4-hourly on trading view. I want you to understand that this is not something that we should be worried about. We're going to finish above that price that is the 47.2. We may come down just a little bit more than that. And I want some people to understand that there's a 46.5 price, and I actually had it marked here. So if you do see, currently right about right here, there was a circle. I said something about the inverted head and shoulders pattern, and it's kind of funny because it takes us all the way down to a back where we were almost. So if we're not going to continue to do that, you're going to have to see prices, unfortunately, to about this price range. This is kind of unfortunate. Looking at the relative strength index chart, and yes, I do see it taking us to right about here. And if it does do that, well, you're already going to see a little bit more here is going to take us to about that price. So just wanted to come up, update a lot of people. Please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button as we come live for you immediately to let you know that things are going to be okay. Please do not hit the panic button right away. We do still believe anywhere between 76 and 80,000. We will be trading in Bitcoin. So please make sure you hit the like and subscribe before that. We are going to be coming live to you probably tonight with another updated video. If there is no video, it won't be because we didn't want to do one. There will be not much news to talk about. So please, if you're interested, definitely come on to tonight. We usually do 8 a.m., 8 p.m. So if anybody was wondering, I had a couple people ask me, what time do you do lives? Well, we do them usually New York Eastern Time, 8 a.m., 8 p.m. So that may be something you were wondering. On Instagram, wallst.pete is another one. So do pay attention to that. This is what we do for you, and this is basically what we do all day. So we talk amongst ourselves. Right now, we'll be talking about how this fall is happening, how we had this drawn out here, and if you did pay attention, I had this right here for you to understand that there was a good chance we could collapse down to here. Didn't talk much about it happening, didn't think we could really make it happen, but it's happening, so there's really not much more to say. Bitcoin is falling. A lot of people are crying. A lot of people are not buying. A lot of people are selling. They can't take the loss anymore. But if you look at that relative index, it's going to hit right about where I said. I'm pretty confident we will hit that as the bottom. Hopefully create some type of inverted, come through maybe at the 44, 45, maybe. Not really sure, but I do believe in my technical analysis, which does take me to right about there. So I am hoping that this price is the bottom price for Bitcoin. I wanted to come to you with a short, quick video. Possibly maybe a 10-minute video. And if you do notice, all the cheap prices, $336 for men at Decentraland with this fall. I can't believe it. Cardano, it actually did this hit all the way down to the 127. Come down. I did say ticker bounce perhaps before we go up. So there's a lot of things here I'm seeing fall even more before we do get the spring up. And the next 2 weeks are going to be Christmas time. So a lot of y'all don't understand it. I'm looking around. Pete, live from these bloody streets. Yeah, you're not kidding. Polkadot, $27, getting its final bottom tush taken out as we were hoping we'd get something further. But this is it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last bounce. Do understand that this is the last shakeout. We are in the uptrend, trading and changing that formation. It will come here with the final bounce as the final leg down to scare everybody. Did tell you Jasmine would perhaps be seeing it. You know what? I should have known when I seen that these prices were coming down this low. When I started talking about certain prices really coming down and possibly seeing 7.5, and I really should have known. I should have, because right now VThor, I was getting excited at one point in time. We were talking about maybe 3 cents, and then sure enough, right, 3 cents. We got a lot of work to do. So the market obviously is falling. The market is obviously getting ready for something special coming in the new year, as it may start into Christmas. So I do know that if I paid attention back to last year took us all the way into December 18th. So if anybody was wondering what Bitcoin had a chance at doing, I looked at last year's date, and unfortunately, this is the date. And I'm going to tell you right now, this is the big video I wanted to talk about, and this date here, December 18th. And unfortunately, the lives are not working on YouTube. I do apologize. If you hit the bell notification, apparently we're still not getting the lives. So I do apologize for anybody who is missing these videos. That is very frustrating, and I can see how that would be driving you insane. But it is what it is. I can't really, it's adversity. That's how I look at it. So here we are, December 18th. I do expect a huge rally. So I expect the start of a rally. So if my technical analysis and if everything that's come into play here, there was a date, there was something I seen, and if you look into the charts here, last year, we go into 2020 December, we kind of did something similar to the same, and as I'm bringing us all back here, let's look. We might as well. We're here, right? Look at December, coming all the way in, and if you look right here, shenanigans, if you didn't know, right there, December 17th, December 18th, there was a swing last year coming into that Christmas J-like substance. So this is some of the stuff I like to talk about. This is the excitement. This is why the last month of December, like I said, the last month, 12, 18, all the way through into 12 into Christmas, there's going to be something special happening. And then, right into January 2022, we're going to be talking about some type of an extra strategy, but we're going to be taking in some profits. So we're going to be seeing profits. We're going to be taking profits in this month. It's looking pretty confident that that's where most of our profits are going to come. We're going to shock the market on there. So do understand January 22, as we come back in from that old time frame, that's a big thing to understand there. Very, very big to understand. December 18th, huge start of a rally. I'm telling you right now, this is my strategy. This is not financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor, but I do like to wear the visors. So this is the strategy we're going to. This is my routine, and I do believe we're going up here. So why it's so cheap, I don't know, but Polkadot is going to go through the roof. Tessos, as we sold, we know we're going to probably buy some back more now that it's getting to the $4 range. I'm excited to see that. 336 on Mana, as I said, pay attention to that. Cardano, I don't know how much more that could fall. I'm getting sick looking at it. And the rest of the world is getting really low, so we have to pay attention to what this shakeout's really doing. I did tell you with this huge mesh, you could barely see anything in it. I apologize. This is Bitcoin. We're looking to see here and hit this 46.4 if it does happen. If not, within the next hour, I'll get that confirmation. The next hour, we're either going to get a nice spike up, and we'll see what happens here, or we will just continue to go red and get it here, like I said, and then we'll find it through here, inverted somewhere there. So it's either way, we're going to hodl. We're going to hold what we got now. If you're trading on leverage, please be careful. Only really experienced traders should do that, of course, as I am getting ready to leverage and put a long position in coming into these next 2 weeks. Very excited. So Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. WallST.Pete. Check us out on Instagram. Was doing a little shopping. Not anybody was in the malls. I loved it. The Wall ST, right? Wall Street Pete. 12-1 on the fantasy football, and did not know, Gary, if you're watching, Gary, I did not know that Adam Thielen was out tonight. So if Adam Thielen was out tonight, I would have said, damn, the Vikings might not have a shot. So pay attention to that, Gary, if you're watching this video. Top movers, pay attention to BitCo as we took profits. There is something happening as it's not getting significantly smashed into the face while the rest of the market is. So do put that into consideration. Understand it's holding its price at $6 strong, and there's a lot of high volatility in this token. So if it's going to remain and continue to do that, this could be a bullish flag coming in. I'm pretty excited. This is called the Bitcoinonomy. We talked about how it's the metaverse. We talked about how it's a very important coin for the transactions in the metaverse and what there is to come with it. An Ethereum token, of course, and it's really not taking a big heat lip here as everything else is. So you might want to put that into consideration. Pay attention to this token. I did tell you I was not buying any lower than $5.94. That seems to be working out very well. So let's see what happens. Accumulate more. Have a great day. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. One thing before we do go, actually, I did want to say one thing. The coin market cap is coming into play. So 2.25, and we are under the trillion. So we are looking to see a huge bounce in the volume. So pay attention to that as we are low on the volume, 28.5. I do expect the price action to possibly come back in our favor as we are down 15.5 and perhaps almost 8% on Ethereum. So big things to talk about there. I actually wanted to bring that up, and I meant to bring it up sooner, but you need to pay attention to the total crypto market cap as it is taking a huge decrease, almost 6% in the entire market. So pay attention to those levels. Tether is building somewhere. I don't know where it is because it's not in the volume. So that's very, very, very telling. It's telling me that they're doing something with their money, either hodling or they're putting it somewhere else. So pay attention to that because that's really wondering. I'm wondering where the hell all that money is. If we have Tether in this 4 slot here and it's only 67, something is wrong. Something in the billions is wrong. So pay attention to that. You'll pay attention to the volume here. 28 billion in volume, just 90%. Almost to the trillion market cap back. So have a great day. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. This crazy guy comes to you from the Wall Street world. Gets his knowledge from the NYMEX Mercantile Exchange where we used to work. Wall Street Pete, SICKDOE in crypto. Have a great day. And if you're looking for us on Instagram, well, you'll be able to find us at wallst.pete. That's where we are doing charts, putting up information and crypto news as much as we possibly can. So please, and thank you very much for your support. Hit that like, hit that share, and hit that bell notification so we do go live. Perhaps tonight it will be working, the notifications, and you can get our lives. Sometimes it's very important, and other times we're just doing a little research on a coin. So do your own research as that comes into play. A lot of scammers, a lot of bad people on my channel trying to make our lives a living hell. So please be careful with them as well. I don't like what they're doing, but there's not much I can do. So there's bad people out there. YouTube allows what they can do, and that's about it, and so can I. So take care. Peace in and peace out, everyone. Have a great day.